I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a soft glam look and I'm using all drugstore products. Okay, everything is a drugstore product except P. Louise. I think that was the closest reach for my eyeshadow primer. So I'm priming my eyes with P. Louise, and next I'm going to be using the eyeshadow palette from Focalor. This is the Endless Possibilities palette. I'm just doing a really soft eyeshadow today.
Do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change. Play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong. Need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong.
Next, I went in with the Morphe eyeshadow palette. This is the Morphe 35M palette Boss Mode. Ooh, I forgot how much I love this palette. So I'm taking the orange shimmer shade and I love that eyeshadow. For the inner corner of my eye, I went in with the Endless Possibilities palette from Focalor. I also used the Focalor gel liner to line my eyes and the mascara from Maybelline. For primer, I went in with the Maybelline Baby Skin Matte Primer. This is an OG primer. I also went in with two foundations, one from NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation and the other from Wet n Wild Photo Focus. The NYX one, it's been long I used that foundation and I was actually struggling to get products out. I'm mixing both foundations together. And I also went in with two concealers from e.l.f. Cosmetics. I love this concealer. You guys will see me use this concealer or mix these two concealers together in almost all of my videos. For my contour shade, I'm gonna also use the Nuban Beauty in my skin. This is an OG Holy Grail concealer. If you know, you know. Blending that in together. Next, I went in with my beauty sponge to blend everything together. For my cream blush, I went in with the Tehila Face Cosmetics blush palette, mixing two blush. To brighten my under eye, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. It is lightweight but really good. To set my under eye, I'm gonna go in with the Black Opal Deluxe Finishing Powder. If you do not have this powder in your collection, you're missing out. This powder is giving almost like airbrushy effect. My under eye is looking really good. I love the finish from this powder. Next, I went in with this powder palette from Ellie Girl. It is a really good palette that I love. Use the contour and mix two shades of the powder together to blend other parts of my face. Going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose finishing powder to bake my under eye. I love the effect from this powder. This powder gives almost like airbrushy effect. I'm also going to go in with the Focalor monochromatic blush. I'm using both the powder blush and the shimmer blush together. Yo, the shimmer blush is given. Look at my skin, the glow from my skin. I'm also going to use the powder foundation from Maybelline Superstay to blend my under eye and press the powder into my skin. Next, for my highlight, I'm also gonna take this highlighter from Younger Beauty. This is their Candid Glow in O'Shea. This highlighter is an holy grail. I love it. Lining my lip with the Davis pencil. If you know this pencil is the goodie oldie. Also gonna be taking this brown lipstick from Focalor, just defining the inner corners of my lip. Taking this other lipstick from Jane Bell. I also went in with a lip gloss on my lip. Sprayed my face with the fixing spray from Makeup Revolution. That's it for this video, guys. I love this look so much. Looks really good. I'm loving doing voiceovers. What do you guys think? Should we do this more often? Let me know in the comment section down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the red subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed to my channel. Also check out my other videos to stay connected.
Be what I want, I'll keep dreaming.